it's Mary. I'm here today in the car again. I am about to go to Trunkshow to hang out with Amy there for a little while, and then I think we might go to a thrift store we've never been to. So I thought, bring you along. It's really all of an intro I have. I don't know what's gonna happen today. I'm just gonna take you around with me. All right, come on. How creepy are these hash marks on the wall? I never noticed them before, and now I think somebody has definitely been held hostage down here. It turns out these are new, and that's why I didn't notice them, but someone who works in the store upstairs let their kid film a movie for a school project, which they wrote all the hash marks on the wall. So I am very relieved that nobody has been held captive in this basement. Amy got busy, as she does at the store. A lot going on, a lot of activity. So me and Katie are going to go to this thrift store that was nearby. This is the new second location of North Raleigh Ministries thrift store. Here she is. Do you want gloves? I have some. So we're going to go check it out. It's brand new. First look, very nice and clean. I'm afraid it would be really crowded because it's new. Very clean here. Music's very loud here. See what Katie's found. Big basket with a handle. This, she said, is a French press. She just found this belt. What is this?
It's this 1988 like salad thing.
That's very cool. Oops. I love you a bunch. A little scene. I kind of want this. I don't have a poodle, but it's just stupid enough to put on my front porch. Jeez. There's honestly so much stuff here I can't even process it, and I'm going insane and buying everything. And so it's Kitty.
Yep, guilty.
It's like they had a grand opening and probably no one came because of COVID. Ooh, it seems to have an aroma. So it's a Dr. Pepper helmet. And then inside is like some kind of bowl and dip apparatus. And I'm just trying to figure out if I need this. If it had a sports team on it, yes, but maybe no. I think you can tell we both haven't been shopping in 3 months. We're back at Trunkshow, and this is our other partner, Suze.
Cheers.
Cheers. We're having just like a little cocktail after close.
Before we open on Tuesday.
Yes. This poodle tray is so cute. I'm obsessed with it. Here's some other new things around the shop. Back in my house. It is much longer ago than when I was at the thrift store. It's also very hot in my house, which is why I have an ice pack for your eyes just sitting on my leg. So it's been, I don't know, almost like a week and a half since I did this thrift trip. It was a really exciting thrift trip for me because it was a store that I really liked, that they had opened a second location, and I guess nobody must have come to the grand opening when they had it because of, you know, social distancing and everything. So they still had a ton of amazing stuff in there, and I hope that's like their normal and that they reload with awesome stuff all the time, because I want to go back. But I'm like, is it always going to be like this, or is it just the opening? Or, I mean, let's be honest, I'm going to go back. I just don't want to be let down. Either way, super clean, super big, A+ all around. What more can you want? Before I get started, if you like vintage, thrifting, reseller, or eco-friendly fashion content, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified anytime I make a video so you'll never miss a thing from me. I dropped my ice pack. So, alright, I'll just go ahead and show you what I got. Now, the first item is a Terrycloth Lacoste polo shirt. It has the crocodile logo right there. You can see the Izod brand. And it is just like a cornflower blue. Next, I got this cute t-shirt. I'm not sure if this is a certain artist, but it has an Asian design on it, and it's just a crew neck t-shirt in a size large. This is a really retro t-shirt that says Hawaii, and then it just has like a neon fish and made out of polyester. Next is another t-shirt. This is just a vintage Alaska t-shirt. Pretty simple. It does say Fairbanks, Alaska, so a little bit more specific than just Alaska. This fits kind of perfect, and I might keep it. You never know until you try it on. This is maybe my favorite thing from there because I love stripes and t-shirts and red and blue. Anyways, this fits all of my criteria for things I like. It is just a t-shirt with a ringer. It's not like a ringer tee, but it does have the ringer tee vibes with the red around the collar and the sleeves. And then there is this logo, which is, oh, the brand is just Chic. It's a size extra large. I don't remember if it's my last or 2 hauls ago, but I had a Jamie Sadoc tank top, and I have another one just like it but in a different color. Maybe it might be a little different, but it does have that double collar and blue and gray. This one is a small, the other one was an extra large, so I don't think this will fit me for the try on. The other one had another layer under there. Not flattering. And this one doesn't. Take that for what you will. Here is a polo shirt that buttons up the front, and it has some safari animals on it. There is elephant, zebra, giraffe, rhinoceros. This is a size 2X. So I do think it would be a little cropped if it was worn to size, and I think that would be a cool look on someone. This one is not that exciting. I was gonna put it back, but I had so much stuff in my cart that I was like adjusting. I was like, it'll be too much trouble to even dig it out, and it was so inexpensive I just got it. It's kind of a gray basic tank top with sailboats on it, and it says Don Lee Sailing. Look at that. I like this retro tag. But there is the graphic. I don't know who Don Lee is, or maybe it's a place. I don't know. Ooh, this is a good retro piece. It is a floral bodysuit with a scoop neck. The scoop neck does have this kind of extra seam on it and short sleeves, and it is a full bottom bodysuit. So some people prefer that over the thongs. I will say it looks a little short-waisted. Here's the snap crotch. It's a size large. The brand is actually Capezio, which is a dance brand, but this is definitely a bodysuit and not a leotard, because leotards don't snap at the crotch. I was a dancer for years, and you wouldn't want that snapping at the crotch to come undone, or, you know, lots of wild things could happen. This one is maybe my second favorite, just because it is a cropped t-shirt that is meant to be cropped. It hasn't been cropped. It says Property of Duke Athletic Department. This is like one of my favorite tags to find. The Russell Athletic with the yellow R. It's just always really soft, the fabric of these shirts. And so I just think that's neat. I don't even really wear crop tops, but I get a real kick out of finding them. They just are instantly vibey. So that was exciting. This is another super retro t-shirt. It is like a fuchsia color with a geometric-ish pattern in a lighter color. It's kind of like tribal, I guess. There's lizards and shapes and little men holding something over his head. I don't know. But then we have the gecko here, and it just says Gecko Hawaii. It's a size medium, giving me a lot of Bugle Boy feeling. This one is not vintage, but I did pick it up because everyone's always saying you should pick up jerseys, and this one was in really good condition. It's a Redskins jersey. The back of it says Griffin III. My sister said her husband used to like this player, but not anymore. So I don't know if he's like not popular anymore, but I don't know. I thought maybe somebody could still want it, and it's in just about perfect condition. The only real signs of wear is where the name is kind of cracked a little bit on the F. You can't even really see it that much. Size small. As I always do, I have some button downs. The first one is this kind of Hawaiian print with flowers and palm leaves. It is a size small, and it's by Capagallo. It almost looks like, reminds me of the Candies tag. But then we have this pattern, which I'm pretty sure, well, I know I've had something similar. Oh yeah, now that I see the brand, I know it is the same pattern. It's Crazy Cat. It all comes flooding back to me when I saw that tag. I used to have a long sleeve shirt in this pattern, but this one is a short sleeve shirt by Crazy Cat, and the buttons have kind of a little bit of a different pattern over them. There is Velcro for shoulder pads, but it does not include the shoulder pads. Size small, also oversized. And I have this really cute shirt, which does have shoulder pads. It is just a black and white geometric design. Size medium. If it fits me, I will probably keep this and take the shoulder pads out. But it's just super adorable and I love it. Yeah, I would like it to be a little bit bigger, but it is still cute. And maybe if I cut out the shoulder pads and wore it with tucked in, but I don't know. I think I can let it go. Now I'm gonna show you the housewares things I got, but before I do that, this was just sitting here. It was in a different haul, but it got mixed in, but I just really like it, so I wanna show you this black tank top with the rainbow stripe across the center. It's by Jordache, and it is like the most late 90s Y2K thing ever. Definitely the style of stuff in Delia's, Alloy, Girlfriends LA. I wanted this tank top. Why didn't I have this tank top? I mean, probably because I was like too self-conscious to show my stomach, but you know, my stomach looked great thinking about it now, and I should have been wearing crop tops every day. So everyone should just go ahead and wear crop tops because you look great, and why the hell not? Now, oh, getting housewares. I forgot about them. Forgot to bring them here. BRB. So I hope I have everything because it was a long time ago that I went there and everything is just splattered around my house and I might have forgotten something. There are a few items that I didn't even bring home. I left at Trunkshow to sell, so I will insert me showing you those right here. And then this is the rest of the stuff. So I did get this Poodle Flag because I think it's really funny, and I have one of those little flag stick things, flagpole. I also, when I was younger, I would like sometimes act really weird and say my name was Poodle, so that was my alter ego, and it just made me laugh. And I also had a poodle when I was little. I don't really like poodles that much, but like now, but my family had a poodle. I mean, I don't dislike them, it's just I like Shih Tzus. I prefer Shih Tzus because that's what my dog is. Like, it would be great if this said Shih Tzu, but I also didn't have an alter ego named Shih Tzu, so I don't know. Anyways, my husband thinks it's weird and is not really too keen on me putting it outside, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Might just put it up outside anyways, because I don't think he really cares that much. Next, I have this amazing tray, which has like leaves and parrot or some kind of tropical bird and flowers. It is this kind of tray. I do not know what it's called, but I love these. They're like, you can see like the material of it right there. It says Mikasa France. I think it has a name, and I was trying to find these like years ago. They have like a lot of ones with really pretty floral prints on Etsy, and I could not find any except for like in France and overseas, and the shipping was always super high. Did finally find one here to keep, but anyways, I think I'm gonna keep this just because it's something I've always been on the lookout for. And this is even like the cutest pattern I've ever seen, even if it was this kind of tray or not. I found another tray. This tray is awesome. It is this black like plastic resin. It has the wooden whale with a little bird sitting on top of him and the little sun. This is Sadoc, which I thought was something, and then once I looked it up online, these kind of trays sell for a good amount of money. It's probably like a mid-century tray. I was gonna put this in the store, but then I thought maybe I could get more money online, and so I'll see how that goes. But I saw one very similar to this that was listed for like $185. I think I paid $4. I put mine at $85 plus shipping, so I don't know. We'll just see what happens. I was super happy to find that, and it's really cute. So I guess these kind of trays are bolos. That is it. What did you think? Most of this clothes are probably going to be going to Trunkshow, and some might go online. But let me know what you think. What'd you like? Oh.